4 colors. So we have lemon yellow, yellow ochre, again small amount, is alizarin crimson, again a small amount, and finally then we use a small touch of indigo at the end. And straight away, loads of water. And then you start off with the lightest tone, which is the lemon yellow. And you just straight into it like this. And you can leave little gaps like that. The next color is yellow ochre, and the yellow ochre just goes on from here, intertwine them. Next tone is the alizarin. Now the alizarin, you don't want to use that on its own, you want to mix that slightly with the yellow ochre so you get more of an orangey feel to it. We apply that there. And then finally that little touch of indigo mixed with the alizarin, just to darken that tone there like that. And then we rock and roll. You just lift the paper up, turn it, just let it all mix together, and then once you're happy with it, you just leave it flat like that, and then you let it dry. So I'm going to speed up that drying process now. Now, so that's dry now, so the next stage then is I'm going to put a couple of little figures in here. So I'm taking some indigo and a little touch of the alizarin crimson. Now, you start off and you just put the shape down like this. And bring it with you as you go. You fill it up. This. And towards the bottom then you put a little straight line there, and then below that another little line there. And just tidy up the edge. Bring a little, almost like an arm there. And then the head. When you're doing this, the man, this is the man, so the man's head is off his body, so you leave a little tiny gap like that. So it's almost like his collar. So, and I'm going to draw beside that with my brush, smaller, a lady here now in stature. I'll give her a nice figure. It joins up there. And just we'll put her head on here now. So she has long hair, so she would be like that. And she comes down here. And then we put a shadow across that, like this. So you 1 foot over there like this. And then finally, we finish that painting then using our rigger brush. And We start off and we put about 5 birds. So we put one here like this, one here, one here, one here, and finally one here. And that's a nice simple little painting. It's a great way to learn how to paint because you're letting the colours blend into each other. And then your final subject then is 2 people walking along the beach. You don't have any distinct background, and then you have a few birds. So that's called lovebirds.